Okay, I got a bunch of different pots. I have 4 total. Bought this giant one, and I painted them yellow. It's going to be a tipsy topsy planter for in my chicken coop. And I want to tell you how I did it. Drilled a bunch of holes on the bottom for drainage. Then I put this like piece of wood in here, drilled a hole to secure the pipe. Okay, and I can only have so big of a pipe because I want it in the corner of this chicken coop. And then I put another one here to make it more secure. And then I'm going to add some rocks to the bottom, and I'm going to put a lot of styrofoam in here so I don't have to waste a lot of dirt. Then you want to, on each side, put a hole. Doesn't have to be perfect. It would be better if it wasn't, but this is how it turned out, so that when I do put it on, it'll be topsy-turvy. So I'm going to go break up some rocks and then put them in there and then put the styrofoam. I brought the planter into the chicken coop, right, and put it where I wanted it. And then I have concrete on the bottom with some pavers or bricks in here for a bunch of styrofoam. So now I'm going to add the topsoil, and then I'm going to work on the other pots. So my husband suggested, because we have extra mulch, to put mulch on top of this so that all the dirt isn't going to fall down, because I don't want to use a lot of dirt. So he went to get me the mulch. I'm going to put mulch on top, then the potting soil. The mulch, I only have a little bit of room here, but I layered the mulch so that went down, and I tried to cover all the styrofoam. I took some out, it was too high. And then I'm going to add the potting soil. And then I'm going to work my way up. I'm not putting the plants in until I'm done, because I don't want to put plants in and then have a pot right on top of my plant. So I am going to start with the potting soil now. Got the topsoil in. And now what I'm going to do is pull this first bucket right here down, fill it with styrofoam and more topsoil, and then continue to pull down the other pots to lean them on top of each other. Placed a big rock in here to hold it in place, so it will be in place and it won't continue to wonk around. Other than the rock in this bottom pot, I did not put any styrofoam in. I put mulch and dirt. And here is what it looks like right now. And then I'm going to go get my plants that are bird friendly for my chickens, that are perennials. They'll come back every year, and they can climb up here and perch and eat strawberries and lavender and everything they need, and it'll come back every year. So I'm going to go get the plants, and I'll be back to show you. Here it is, all done. These are all plants that my chickens can have. On the bottom is a strawberry bush that I put around, and I put the vines in here so they'll continue to grow. I had a couple strawberries on there, but my ladies that are over here resting while I'm in here ate them all. This is lavender. They're allowed lavender. This is parsley and basil, and these are marigolds. And apparently, if they eat the marigolds, makes their yolks brighter. So this is what my Tipsy Topsy planter looks like. I'm hoping they don't rip the strawberries out, but I'm thinking they could hop up on the edge. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I'm busy doing this. Hop up on the edge, eat something from here, eat something. As you do this, it's good to have somebody help you, kind of, because as you're filling these, they start to like collapse. So the bottom one has 2 pieces of wood for the pole. Then it has styrofoam, mulch, dirt, and a plant. This second one has a big rock, and it doesn't have any styrofoam, but it does have mulch, dirt, and a plant. This one has 2 plants in it, and it has no styrofoam, but it has mulch and dirt. And then this lovely lady up top here, she has just mulch and dirt. There's no more rocks in it. My husband said I didn't need to put drain holes in here in the back because he believes it'll run down the pipe. So we shall see. But this is my Sunday afternoon topsy-turvy planter for my chicken coop. I'm pretty excited about how it turned out. I used yellow spray paint. Apparently chickens love bright colors, and I think once these flourish, it's going to be gorgeous. So let me know if you have any comments or anything. Like my page, share my page would be great. Comment if there's something you'd like me to make or create. I will do my best to do that. Thank you so much for watching, but this is my topsy-turvy planter, and I think it is adorable.